stand. Make no mistake, he make America great. Full steam ahead on Liberty's track. Now we're gonna take our country back. All aboard on the Trump train 2024. Despite of fake news, we can't lose. They can't derail this campaign trail. 2021's a total disgrace. It was like spitting in freedom's face. All aboard on the Trump train 2024. Died for a way of life. They knew how to stand up and fight. Yeah, they carried their swords so brave. Now the dooms just want to piss on their grave. All aboard on the Trump train 2024. All aboard Trump train 2024. Come on, Trump train. We're on the Trump train. We're on the Trump train.